In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to connect Stripe to WordPress so you can start accepting payments directly on your website. This is perfect if you're running a small business, offering rentals, services, or collecting deposits, and you want a simple, secure payment solution. We'll be using a popular free plugin that works great with Stripe and WordPress. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress account and head over to your main dashboard. This is where you manage everything on your site, including plugins, pages, and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Plugins. This is where we'll add the Stripe functionality to your site. Inside the Plugins section, click on Add New, and then use the search bar to look for the Stripe plugin. In the search field, type in WP Simple Pay. This plugin allows you to easily connect Stripe and create payment forms without needing any coding skills. When the results load, look for the plugin called Stripe Payment Forms by WP Simple Pay. You'll see that it supports credit card payments and subscriptions using Stripe. Once you found it, click the Download button or Install button, and wait for WordPress to finish installing the plugin. After installation, make sure to activate it so we can start setting things up. Now that the plugin is installed and activated, it's time to connect your Stripe account. You'll be guided through a setup wizard. In this wizard, click the blue button that says Connect with Stripe. A new window will open and take you to Stripe's official website. If you already have a Stripe account, simply log in with your existing details. If you don't have one yet, you can follow the on-screen instructions to create a new Stripe account. Keep in mind that Stripe will ask for some business and bank information, so they know where to send your payments. Once you click Connect, Stripe will automatically redirect you back to your WordPress website, and your account will be linked. Next, we're going to create a payment form. From your WordPress dashboard sidebar, go to WP Simple Pay and click on Add New. You'll be asked to choose a template, and for this example, select the Basic Payment Form. This is perfect for simple one-time payments like deposits. In the General tab, give your form a title. For example, you can name it Bus Rental Deposit, or anything that matches what you're charging for. Then switch over to the Payment tab. Here, set the payment amount, such as $50 for a deposit. You can also customize the label so customers clearly understand what they're paying for, like Deposit for Bus Rental. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button on the right-hand side. This makes your payment form live and ready to use. Now it's time to put the payment button on your website. Go to the page where you want customers to rate a payment, such as your booking or services page. Click the plus icon to add a new block. Then search for WP Simple Pay. Add the block to the page, and from the drop-down menu, select the payment form you just created. After selecting the form, click Update in the top right corner to save your changes. Your Stripe payment button is now live, and visitors can securely pay you directly through your WordPress site. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Stripe to WordPress, create a payment form, and add it to your page. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.